How to create trendy AI images for free. Whether you're into graphic design, social media, or just having fun with cool visuals, this tutorial will show you how to use AI tools to generate stunning images without spending a dime. So let's get started. First things first, we need to pick an AI image generation tool. There are several great options out there, but today we're going to use Craiyon, formerly known as DAL/E Mini, because it's free and easy to use. Once you're on the Craiyon website, you'll see a simple interface where you can start creating your image. Now let's generate an image. The key here is to use a detailed and creative prompt. For example, if you want a futuristic cityscape, type something like futuristic cityscape at sunset with flying cars into the prompt box. The more descriptive you are, the better the result. You can also experiment with different prompts to use and see what works best. Now hit the draw button to let Craiyon work its magic. The AI will take a few moments to generate your image. Now once the image is ready, you'll see it appear on the screen. Review the image. If you like it, you're all set. If not, you can tweak your prompt and try again. To download your image, simply right-click on it and select Save Image As. Choose your preferred location on your computer and save it. Now you've got your trendy AI-generated image saved and ready to use. And that's it. You've just learned how to create trendy AI images for free. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.